delicious. This sauce, guys, I'm not kidding, it is so good. Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's What I Eat in a Day. I make sure to have breakfast every single morning. As we know, it is the most important meal for the day. I'm gonna give you guys all the ingredients that you're gonna need for this. I'm starting off with some oatmeal, and then I'm gonna put protein powder in mine, but you don't have to do this. This is just, oh my god, Queen Whey Vanilla Protein Powder by Body Energy Club. I have been going to the gym recently, so, you know, protein, really good for gains on my bum. You know, I'm trying to get that fat ass. I'm kidding. Maybe add some baking cocoa powder. I've never used this before, but like I'm thinking it might be kind of fun, like a little chocolate oatmeal type situation. On top, I'm going to add this Fatso peanut butter with plant-based fats. I actually don't really like peanut butter, but apparently if you get these peanut butters that have like the oil separation, that are like the all-natural ones, they're really good. That is what I heard from the Emma Chamberlain podcast, so I'm gonna trust her on this and try this brand. I've also just got some cinnamon, some frozen berries, chia seeds for decorative purposes, a banana so we can cut it up. Before I get started on this, I always drink some water first thing in the morning. I'm gonna take one of these. It's collagen biotin vitamin that's good for your skin, hair, and nails. It just looks like this, not that bad to drink. Me saying I can only take them and then almost choking on it. Let's try that again. Is the delicious oatmeal. As you can see, it looks so good, so tasty. You can make something that seems boring in so many different creations, so many different flavors. It honestly tastes so good. The only thing that I would have done differently is I accidentally did my oatmeal with water, and even though that's probably healthier, I would have rather had made it with oat milk. So for next time, I would rather do that because then it'll be a lot more creamier, good tasting, but you know, water will do for now. I'm gonna drink a yerba mate. I don't know how to say it. I always see people drinking these and I've never tried one before, so we're gonna try it together and I'm gonna drink it with my oatmeal. In the flavor Lemon Elation. So I just got like peanut butter all over my white clean sweater. Let's pretend you don't see that. It's a non-sparkling beverage. It's organic, caffeinated, but I'm pretty sure it's better for you than like coffee or something. This literally just tastes like iced tea. So good. Let's dig into this. Honestly, I think I made too much, but I was just so excited with all the decorations and stuff that I was gonna put on top that I just made so much of it. But if you guys live alone or something, you can make a bunch and then like save it in your fridge for your next upcoming meals. Oats in general are very filling, so like if you have a heavy day ahead of you, I highly recommend. And they're super easy to make. I'm gonna continue eating and I'll catch you guys later for lunch. Welcome back to the kitchen, everyone. It is time for lunch and I am so excited to make this meal. I've gotten ready for my day and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. It's actually pretty late and I hope the lighting is still okay because it's actually really gloomy outside, and I have been snacking on some regular salted almonds today. I just had a handful of them, didn't count them. I just ate them until I was sufficed with my cravings. For today's lunch, we are making a delicious, what are they called? Like open sandwiches, like bread thing? I don't know. I think it's really easy. You guys could definitely do this without the help of anyone if you think you're not a good cook, even though cooking is easy. Guys, cooking is easy. It's following instructions. A lot of times people just don't want to do it, but this is actually easy. First things first, I'm gonna cut up my bread. It's just this type of like baguette styled bread. I picked the whole grain because I feel like that's healthier. I used to hate the idea of whole grain because I was like, ew, whole grain? I want white bread only. But honestly, guys, it's not that bad. If you're one of those people that like only eats white bread, it's not that bad. This type of cheese, I got Ream. in my last like Victoria's Secret meal, what I eat in a day video. I said this cheese. Now, I may be saying it wrong. Italians are gonna be triggered. Bocconcini. I said the word wrong in the video. I also spelled it on the screen wrong, and like all the Italians in the comments were coming for me being like, you don't even know how to say the word. You don't even know cheese. You don't know the proper cheese. This is not Italian pizza. Like guys, obviously, I'm Canadian. Obviously, I don't know. But anyways, this type of cheese, we're also using a tomato. I hate tomato, so I'm gonna use really small slices and just suck it up. Do you guys ever feel like there's foods that you don't like, but it's not that you don't even like them, it's that you just don't give them a chance? That's me with tomatoes. I think I don't like them, but I think it's just the idea that creeps me out. So anyways, we're gonna use this. We're also gonna use balsamic vinegar or vinaigrette. I'm gonna use some lime just to sprinkle on top of it. A cucumber for the side. Some baby arugula. I love this. Instead of like spinach, I think this is really good. Also gonna use a little bit of butter just to put on my toasted bread. And she's done. She looks delicious. I'm so excited. I feel like it looks way harder than it is to actually make. As you guys saw, honestly, really simple. You just have to have the ingredients. I eat my meals most of the time with my family. My parents are really good at cooking, so they normally make me like breakfast, or we'll have lunch, or we'll have dinner. Normally when they're working is when I'll make my own meals. Or sometimes I'm kind of picky, so like they'll make breakfast or they'll make a certain meal and I don't like that, so I'll make my own food. I don't really have a strict diet or anything. I eat whatever I want. I know this isn't how it works, but I would rather work out like every single day and eat terribly than never work out and have like a perfect diet. Like I just love food too much to even like, I can't. If you struggle with making your own meals and eating the certain amount of food that you should be eating, honestly, I feel like you should try to make your meals as like aesthetic looking as they can, because it's honestly fun and very rewarding after you're done making it. And say you took pictures of like all the good food that you made, you would have like an album in your phone, or you can make like a food account on Instagram and like have all the meals that you've made before. I think that's a really good idea, and it would keep you on track with like eating a certain amount or healthy, or you know, having cool meals. So good, honestly. I feel like the bread makes a big difference. But if you're eating right now, I will give you a cheers and we shall eat together. While I was eating, I thought about a few things that I feel like I might get questions on. Like a lot of people ask, like, how do you get the motivation to eat healthy? And honestly, you know, when you eat something good, it makes you feel good inside, and you can feel the difference when you eat something bad. And you need to listen to your body and give yourself enough nutrients to make yourself feel energized and feel good for the day. I mean, if you've seen those like bodybuilders or people that have really nice bodies that a lot of the time people idolize, they're eating so much food and they're just working out a lot, but they're eating enough protein and they're getting their fruits and vegetables in. But of course, everything with moderation. Also, I saw a TikTok that really opened my eyes up, and it was saying that if in your fridge you're surrounded with good healthy foods that are already cut up for you, so like if you get celery and you pre-wash it, it's in your fridge, you have like hummus or dressing or whatever you choose to eat it with, it's already prepared for you. Whenever you want a snack, you'll just go and reach for the healthy foods. If you buy vegetables and you put them in your fridge and you say, oh, I'll get to those later, and they just look moldy in the back of your fridge, you're never gonna reach for those. And if you have some like easy accessible chips, that would be what you would reach for. So the tip for that is to prepare your food once you go to the grocery store and cut it up all nicely so that it's appealing for you to reach towards. It is time for dinner, and I'm currently sitting on the floor putting on my shoes because I got summoned to go buy some groceries, because the recipe that we were gonna have for dinner, we don't actually have all the ingredients to. Normally my parents make the dinners that we have in our family. We always have, you know, the whole sit down dinner traditional thing, but because this is what I eat in a day, I decided that like I would cook the dinner. I feel like that would make more sense, but choosing a recipe that my family would eat like on a typical day. So the recipe that we're going to be having today is penne pasta with a spinach sauce thing and mushrooms. Normally mushrooms is something that I like don't like because mushrooms just seem weird and gross and like they freak me out, and it's a food that I tend to not like. But I tried them recently and they're honestly not that bad. I think I just had to give them a shot. So I'm excited to eat this. I think it'll be really good. I'll leave the recipe down below because it looks so delicious. I'm going to try to go really quickly. It's currently like 7 p.m. This is a much later dinner than normal. We normally eat at like 5 or 6, but that's what we're rolling with today. The only thing is I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have one Rice Krispie. This isn't a Rice Krispie. This is a rice cake. Done buying all the groceries. I got everything, not like you care really, but I got this scrub. It's the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. I feel like I see this all over TikTok. Did buy a turtle because I was just craving some chocolate, even though I had some this morning. There's people watching me. Okay, one of my go-to recipes just because it didn't take much time, to be honest. This sauce, guys, I'm not kidding, it is so good. You need to try it for yourselves. If I was served this at a restaurant, I would not be able to tell the difference. I would think this is gourmet stuff. You also can't even taste the mushrooms. Like, honestly, I feel like mushrooms doesn't even have a flavor. Like, just tastes like whatever you season it with. If you don't like mushrooms, you can easily change it for chicken, or you can put chicken in it. I mean, I guess this is like vegetarian, so that's even better if you are plant-based. I didn't even realize I'm basically vegetarian today. I'm gonna call this a vegetarian. What I eat in a day, I'm kidding. I eat meat. I think the problem is, if I lived on my own, I would probably just be vegetarian because cooking meat like disturbs me. Like, something about seeing raw meat, like if I didn't have it just like handed to me from my parents, I probably just wouldn't make it, which is probably better, honestly. This recipe also makes a lot, so you can easily keep it as leftovers and have it the next day. Okay, it's currently 12 o'clock. I forgot to show you guys, but I had 2 cookies, and these are actually some that my aunt made for me. They're literally like moon shaped, and they're just like little sugar cookies or whatever, and I just ate this with some milk. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below what is your favorite meal of the day. Subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys very shortly.